Okay, this is a review, I suppose, of the best bag I've ever had. Travel bag, business bag by Evil Eagle Creek. Um, I'm doing the review because it's starting to wear out after about a decade. It's been a long time. Various things are starting to go out. Uh, the glue here on this zipper went out on it, and I can re-glue that. Yesterday, I ripped it on a hinge on the door. You can see I haven't washed it in actually a long time, so you can see that there's some scuffs and things on it. But fabric's all good. The zippers have held up great. There's some edge fuzz starting to show up, which is not great. If you see down here, starting to come loose here, I could sew that back on. Patch that back up. On the back, you're starting to see some wearing here. But I absolutely love this backpack. Now, partly because, well, it's held up for a decade. Also because it's got these handy hip straps on both sides, which has been really nice. It's had a very useful luggage slip for roller luggage. It's got actually arguably two clamshell zippers, so one main compartment, second compartment, a third compartment, and then this outer smaller compartment. And the inside has got a lot of internal strapping. Oh, you can see my forks there. A lot of good internal structure in it. Pocket after pocket after pocket, interior pocket. Let's see where the strap is here. I mean, after over a decade, it just is amazing that it's been this long. And laptop pocket and a good backing. So it's just like, it's perfect, but they don't make them anymore. Eagle Creek has moved on to other things, and I'm trying to find something that'll work. And I'm looking at Tom Bin, and I'm looking at Timbuktu, and I can't quite find them with this integrated, at least not with this kind of nice hip support. I don't know. $300 for a new bag, or just fix this one?